How to enable two-factor authentication on Ring app. Let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the dashboard page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of account settings. Now head over to the option of two-step verification. Once you're on this page, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication. You can use the text message or the authenticator app. If you want to use the text message, click on that option. Click on Continue. Provide your password. And then click on Continue. Now go ahead and type in the phone number that you want to use for two-factor authentication and then click on Continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in the phone number. Type in that code over here and click on Verify Code. Just for that, you have set a phone number as two-factor authentication on Ring app. If you want to use the authenticator app, click on that. Click on Continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. After you type in, click on Continue. Now you can copy the key and then click on Continue. Once you paste that copied key in your authenticator app, you will be receiving verification code. You have to type in the code over here and then click on Verify Code. With that, your two-factor authentication will be enabled. So this way you can easily enable two-factor authentication on Ring app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.